As far as I remember, I was always struggling with weight problems. When I was 15, that was when I was in my 9th and 10th standard, I'd already crossed 100 kgs and I was 150 gradually till last year when I got my surgery done. I had started eating 25 vada paos and around 2 liters of soft drink a day. Whenever I used to stand on the scale, I used to see an increase of 2 to 3 kgs always. And I'd never ever seen a decrease. I remember seeing 120, 130, 140 and 150 on the weighing scale. Nothing in between. I was very lethargic. I was very lazy. I used to hesitate climbing up the stairs. I did not find clothes of my size because they did not fit my waist. And whenever I used to be on the sets for a shoot, I was a kind of an entertainer in the negative sense because nobody took me seriously. And I had tried losing my weight very badly. I used to walk, I did yoga, I did aerobics, I used to diet, but nothing helped. My friends, my family, everybody used to come and tell me, "Yaar, kuch kar, you are 150. And I used to feel bad about it. I was given an option for a surgery, but I had not thought about it as such. Till the time my dad came to me and told me that if you die, we'll cry for a few days and we'll always remember you. But if you suffer a disease or if you get paralyzed or something, we will not be in a position to forgive ourselves ever." And that was the time when I really realized that I have to do something, and I went in for the surgery. I knew about bariatric surgery as an option. That took me to a doctor's place, and the time I entered his clinic, he told me only one thing. "Boss, there are 2 Abhijits staying in one body because my body is capable of handling only 75 kgs and I was 150. That doctor's statement really motivated me to the fullest. And I had to do that surgery and I went in for that surgery. I got to know about Realize. And the bariatric surgery was just the first step. Because maintaining weight loss is a big challenge. And here they support you to maintain your weight loss. The word surgery is one thing that anybody would fear at the first glance. And that is not always an option. But from the time I took the decision till the time I was in the OT and out from the OT, I had my doctor and my dad continuously besides me. And when I gained consciousness, I think after 2 hours of the surgery, I could just see a few cuts on my body. And I actually asked the doctor, has he really done something? The first thing that I remember is a great loss of 15 kgs. In 20 days, when I had been for a routine checkup, and now I am to 94, so 56 kgs down in a year's time. I don't need a lift now. My complexion has lightened. I can play the tabla sitting down. I find clothes of my size in all regular stores. I've become very confident. I can stand in front of people, I can talk to people. I've started getting work. I've started getting good roles nowadays in serials and all. If we compare my earlier life with it, because I have started getting around 2 to 3 roles a month now, and I used to get only 1 in 6 months when I was that big. Gaining weight is like cigarette smoking. You know it is injurious to health. But still you can't help it because it is a gradual process. Today after the surgery, I'm really a very happy man. I can run, I lead a very happy life, and I would always recommend it to all the obese people because if I could do it, anybody can. Bariatric surgery is not a quick fix solution to weight loss. It is a lifetime commitment. You have to maintain a proper diet, do exercises regularly to sustain that weight loss.